Hello friends, I'm Varun Vohra and welcome to my channel IT with Varun Vohra to master the fundamentals. Friends, as we move forward in our ITGC journey, where we have so far completed all control areas under logical access and change management ITGC categories, today we'll start information security ITGC category, which for the most part will be focused on server and database layer. And the first control area we'll tackle today under information security ITGC category is how to test vulnerability management for Windows Server. So let's start understanding the key steps in the process. So the first step in the process is the request. For vulnerability management testing, what we need is the vulnerability scan reports related to the Windows Server for our assessment period, which can be anything like 6 months, 1 year, and so on. And it's all requested based on the frequency of the scan.